So I have a 2017 Ford Ranger XLT, 3.2 litre turbo diesel. Last few days I've had a bit of a whining under the bonnet. A few YouTube checks have led me to the air intake here, the cold air intake. So I've taken this off, had a little perusal of it, and I found she has a little slit there. So basically the pipe's trying to suck air in through there, push it into there. While it's doing that, it's got this little whistler trying to suck air in through there too. That's where your whistle's coming from. So easy fix. Went down to the local auto shop, got myself a brand new one. So 145 bucks for this. We'll put it on and fingers crossed that's all the drama finished for now. Yeah, giddy up. So that's the new pipe put on. Fits perfectly. Yep, so basically that's the intercooler just there. That there is the intercooler. Comes out through there, pipe hooks up just there, and sucks it in, goes to there. I was looking at upgrading my intercooler, but I was told I need to take the whole front end, everything off to put a new intercooler on. I'm like, yeah, that's going to stay there for now. But yeah, easy little fix. These pipes do degrade, so if you hear a whine under your bonnet, it's most probably this thing here, not your turbo, not your transmission, nothing like that. So it's probably an easy fix, like a changing the pipe. Further inspection, I had the original one there. I just took the rubber bands off the top bit up here, and yeah, I've got another one up there too. The two cracks. So yeah, easy fix. Done.